Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So draw these circles and surround it with the line like this. Now you have to make its upper body like this. Make the window of it and the door of it. Now on the back and in the front, make its holder like this, with the help of which it digs the sand, and it's done. Next you have to draw the lines like this as shown in the video. Make a bus. Make the wheels like this. Now make the windows and the doors. Make an ambulance like this. Color it with the red and white color and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be drawing the shape like this. So write 2000 in a sheet and then draw the further lines to make a bus. So now we have to draw the lines further. Make the window and the doors of a bus like this and color it with the yellow color, and your school bus is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we have to draw the digit 400 and then make the wheels to join it and make the van out of it. So make its windows, make its gate, and then you have to make the wheels of it. Color it with the red color and your Jeep is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be writing 00 and then draw the lines. Now further we'll be making the body of the car. So make the lines like this, make its window. Now in the front, you have to make the lines as shown in the video like this. Now after that, color it and it's done. Next, draw the lines like this as shown in the video. Make the wheels of it and then on the top, make the window like this. Now you have to make a cloud-like shape. Now on the side, make the mirrors like this. Now on the back, you have to make the lines like this to join it. Now make the ambulance like this, color it and it's done. Next, take the black marker and write the digit 4 and 20 like this. Now join the lines to make the doors and the windows of the van and color it with the red color, and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, draw two lines like this and then draw a line in the between. Now join the lines to make a car. So now after that you have to draw its wheels. Color it like this as shown in the video, and it's done. Next, we have to draw the letter M and then draw the lines further like this. To make a bicycle, make its handle in the front, make its seat like this, make its paddle and the basket in the front like this, make the wheels, and it's done. I hope you liked it. You can color it if you want. Next, take a sheet and write 2023 over it and then draw the lines together to make a bus. So now after, make its wheel, make its front part like this, make its doors and windows, and then it's done. Next, we have to make the shape like this and then you have to draw the circles in the front. Now you have to draw the lines on the back, make the wings of it like this, and then on the back you have to draw the shape like this, and it's done. Now you can further make the air on the back like this and your rocket is ready. Next, draw the line like this. Now make its wheel as shown in the video. Now after that you have to press it like this or just make the lines to make its wheel like this, and it's done.